Alright, this is a Leatherman Micra. This thing is normally at most places $29.99, but Bass Pro has these for $24.99 for Father's Day, and it includes this vintage leather case. So this says, I have another review on a multi-tool with a pair of scissors, and there's only two that I've ever seen with the scissors on it that are the main tool, and that is this Leatherman one and a Craftsman mini multi-tool, and there's a review for that one somewhere else, but on my channel. So this is 10 tools in one. It says spring action scissors, handy keychain size, and this is a diagram of what it looks like. So scissors, nail file, nail cleaner, which is number 3, tweezers number 4, number 5 is a 420HC knife blade, number 6 says extra small screwdriver, number 7 medium screwdriver, number 8 flat Phillips, number 9 is a ruler, number 10 bottle opener, has a key ring attachment. It says it's 100% stainless steel. The closed length is 2.5 inches and it weighs 1.8 ounces. This is my $3 Ozark Trail Walmart knife. This thing's awesome for $3. This thing is made in Oregon. A lot of these Leatherman tools don't plaster made in USA on it. I think because they got in trouble one time because some of the even though it's assembled in USA, some of the parts came from overseas. So we'll see. This thing is made really well. The spring-loaded scissors is what I like. So very small. Well, let's see. Well, it cuts through this thin stuff pretty good, but when it gets thick, it's kind of hard. But you do have to open it in order to get to the small tools. I also have the Gerber dime, and this one is better because you can open it with your fingernail. The other ones are so tight, it's hard to do. So this looks like it's the bottle opener and the flathead screwdriver. This is the tweezers and the flathead. This is your knife, Another flathead screwdriver. Looks like a little pick. Bottle opener. Small flathead. Tweezers. Very small flathead. This is the device that you hold for your key ring. And on the back edge it's got a measurer. It goes from like 1 inch to 4 inches, and it's got centimeters and millimeters. So I guess for $24 it's not bad, but seems to be of good quality. Alright, Bass Pro Shop Father's Day gift. That's what it says in the paper. Bye. You have to dig real deep in here, and way underneath here I found this keychain tool user guide. I almost threw it away. And when you open it up, it's actually got all the different type of Leatherman tools and what each piece is used for. That's the one we've got there. But it's got the squirt, well, not all the tools, but the squirt, you know, looks like the little small tools. The keychain tool user guide is what it says. So these are the different type of keychain tools that they have. This is the one we've got right here. Interesting.